Welcome back to day 8 of the Big Brain Moment for Parents. Today, we're exploring the beautiful gifts of the Naturalist Intelligent Child. These are the children who learn best through nature, observation, and the living world around them. Naturalist Intelligent children have a natural curiosity for the world outdoors. They notice the tiny details most of us overlook: the shape of a leaf, the color of a rock, a change in the sky, or the movement of an insect. These children understand the language of nature. They thrive when they can touch, explore, and interact with living things. Whether they're watching birds in the yard, collecting stones, or examining plants, their brains are wide awake and learning. At home, a naturalist intelligent child may ask a lot of questions about the weather, seasons, animals, or the environment. They may enjoy caring for pets or watering plants. Their play often includes activities like digging in the garden, exploring the backyard, or creating pretend habitats for animals. These children feel calm and focused when they're connected to nature. In the classroom, naturalist intelligent children shine during science lessons, field trips, and hands-on exploration. They may enjoy class jobs that involve caring for plants, organizing materials, or helping with outdoor activities. They learn best when lessons are connected to real life, especially anything involving animals, plants, earth science, or weather. During free play, these children often choose outdoor spaces. They might collect pine cones, examine bugs, watch clouds, or simply sit quietly observing the world. Their imagination grows stronger when they have room to wander, explore, and discover. A naturalist intelligent child brings a deep sensitivity and awareness to the world. Their curiosity fuels creativity, compassion, and problem solving. With encouragement, they can become scientists, explorers, environmentalists, gardeners, animal caregivers, or community leaders who make the world better. At the end of the day, your naturalist intelligent child is learning from the world around them. Every leaf, every cloud, every tiny discovery. If you like more Big Brain Moments for Parents, please subscribe to Learning with Miss Nancy.